Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1999 to 2006 Silverado and Sierra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Our part features removable perforated plates. If you're keeping the factory body mount, cut on those lines and remove the plate. If not, remove your body mount. Step 3. Tack weld the part onto the frame. Then, weld the part on fully. Finally, coat the part and work area with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done!